You're losing because you still want it to be easy. You still want the shortcut. You still want the reward without the grind. You still want the life, but you don't want the pain that builds it. You say you want to win, but only if it's convenient, only if it doesn't hurt too much, only if it doesn't break you. That's why you're stuck. That's why you're weak. That's why you lose. You're addicted to easy, to comfort, to soft routines, to minimum effort. And every time it gets hard, you fold. You look for the exit. You look for the excuse. You look for the easy version. But let me be clear, there is no easy version. Not if you want to become something real. Not if you want to become someone dangerous. Not if you want to stop losing. Every great thing is built in pain, in pressure, in repetition, in silence. But you run from pain. You avoid it like it's poison. You treat struggle like a punishment instead of what it really is, a gift. Struggle is the price. Pain is the builder. Discomfort is the teacher. But you're still out here trying to learn without suffering, trying to grow without pressure, trying to win without war. It doesn't work like that. You lose because you still want it to be easy. You think discipline feels good? You think sacrifice is glamorous? You think grinding every single day is fun? It's not. But we do it anyway, because winners do what's necessary. Losers wait to feel ready. You want change? Suffer. You want strength? Suffer more. You want peace? Suffer in silence until the war ends. That's how you win. Easy is killing you. It's making you soft. It's stealing your edge. It's robbing you of progress while it whispers, "Rest a little longer." You think that voice is your friend? It's the enemy. It's weakness in disguise. It's mediocrity dressed up like wisdom. The truth is hard, and most people run from it. But you're here, so I'll give it to you straight. If you want results, you have to bury the idea that it should be easy, forever. There are no hacks, no magic plans, no quick wins. Just pain, just consistency, just decisions repeated day after brutal day until something real is built. You're not tired. You're just soft. You're not lost. You're just undisciplined. You're not stuck. You're just avoiding the grind. Because the grind doesn't care. It waits for you every morning. It doesn't change. It doesn't slow down. It doesn't feel sorry for you. You show up or you lose. You've been lied to. Sold a fantasy where growth is smooth and transformation is fun. Let me fix that lie right now. Growth is violent. Transformation is painful. Winning is ugly behind the scenes. And that's why most people stay average. They want the crown, but not the weight. They want the finish line, but not the race. You want to win? Kill easy. Bury comfort. Destroy the idea that success should feel good. Because it doesn't. Not at first. It feels like hell. It feels like doubt. It feels like discipline without applause. Like suffering in silence. You think that's weakness? No. That's strength in the making. That's what it takes to build a life that matters. You keep losing because you still expect it to feel good. You still expect motivation to carry you. You still expect results without the blood. Wake up. This isn't for everyone, but it can be for you if you're willing to suffer for it. There's a savage inside you, but he's buried under comfort. He's buried under easy. He's buried under years of running from pain. You want to meet him? Start suffering. Start doing what hurts. Start choosing the hard path on purpose. The day you stop wishing it was easier is the day everything changes, because now you're finally ready to fight, to bleed, to grind, to go to war with weakness instead of negotiating with it. Don't pray for easy, pray for resilience. Don't chase pleasure, chase pressure. Don't wait for things to get better. Make yourself better by doing what's hard, daily. You're still losing because you're still avoiding the struggle that would make you great. The pain is the path. The grind is the way. The work is the answer. And all of it starts with killing easy. Goggins grind.